Maayong adlaw mga Subuanon. Happy 456th founding anniversary Cebu. Today we celebrate the long and proud journey of our beloved province. A land rich in history, culture, and tradition. From our world-famous heritage and tourism sites, our native products, to our delicious food, Cebu is truly something to be proud of. Above all, I'm most proud of our people. Kita mga Subuanons, hardworking, talented, kind, resilient, and full of heart. Ug isip inyong gobernador, I promise to give back to you a Cebu that is healthier, safer, and more progressive. We will invest in better services, stronger healthcare, food security, environmental protection, tourism that uplifts communities, and opportunities for the youth to thrive. But for today, let's celebrate together. This is a great day to show how proud we are to be Cebuanos. Daghang salamat ug malipayong kasaulugan kanatong tanan. Ato ang Cebu.